Yeah, let me share my screen. Still yesterday, what are the configuration? You did finish right the configuration. Do you have any concern still?
No.
Okay. Okay. Today we have discussion of the variants. Okay. Variant nothing but it is a client level. Okay. This once we have to create one variant, we have using the multiple company codes. Okay. This variant whenever under we have to create in the client level. For example, fiscal year variant. The fiscal year variant we can using the all company codes, not only any respect company code wise. The particular variant, for example, I can open in the system level. For example, fiscal year, right? This fiscal year. This is the fiscal year variant. This variant, once we have to create this variant, this variant you can using the number of company codes. Okay, this is the variants. What is the variants? Once we have to create the variant, that variant we have to create the is based on the your country level. We can use it, sorry, client level. We can use all the company codes. This is the customization one. We are do the config. But if you want to based on the whatever the requirement is there, each we have to create that based on the requirement. We have to create that variant. Okay, this variant we have multiple variant is there. We have to in the whenever the global parameters, fiscal year variant and posting period variant and field status variant and chart of accounting and posting period as well as document type. These are the variants. Okay, what is the variant? Each of the variant wise we need to discuss about the each of the field wise. What is the field status variant? What is the posting period? What is the field status? What is the chart of accounting? How to create the chart of account? What is the posting area? We have to create all the things. Okay, then I need to go to the chart of accounting. Okay, here chart of accounting na. Chart of accounting nothing but yesterday I have discussed what is the chart of accounting. Chart of account nothing but a list of GL accounts. That is the called chart of accounting. This chart of account, it is structure of the GL account, the nature of the GL account. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Then this is the chart of account. We have to segregate the three kind of chart of accounting. That is, see, the chart of account, it can be created under, this is the variant. This variant under created where? Under client level. Not only company code, not only any fiscal year variant level. This is we have to create it under company code. This variant we can using the multiple company codes. Okay, this variant, this chart of account we have to segregate the three kind of chart of accounting. Operating, either primary chart of accounting, second is the group chart of accounting, third is the country specification chart of accounting. Then what is the group chart of accounting? What is the operating chart of account? What is the country specific chart of account? We have to discussion. First of all, operating chart of accounting, primary chart of account, both are same only, the same name only. Operating chart of account, same is called the primary chart of accounting. This primary chart of account, this what are the data we have to control, we have to discuss here. Go to go B13. See if you, I can open any of that. I can open anything. Yeah, yeah, open this one. See, this is the operating chart of account. This is chart of nothing but is a chart of accounting. In the chart of accounting, what is the chart of accounting? What is the description? Then what is the language? What is the length? This length, nothing but a, while creating the master data, it is control the master data only the number range. If you open FS00, I can open one more screen here. Go to FS00. I can take any of the company code. It is not the eligible accounts. There also not getting it. Okay, see, for example, there is nothing is GL account, no company could know the GL account. See here, na, this length is the this GL account number. This length only, it is control here. Okay, this here. For example, I can put the 6 letters. Na, the system we need to consider the here the only we need to put the 6 letters. If I can mention the 2 letters, na, the system is allowed for the only the 2 letters for the creating of the GL account master data. Okay, this is the one which is control the only the number ranging. Then second one is the group chart of account. Group chart of account nothing but a reporting concern. This is using for only reporting purpose only. For example, I have three or four chart of account is there. For example, I have two primary chart of account is there. Okay, two primary chart of account. The primary chart of accounting one and primary chart of accounting two. Okay, two. This two, this two chart of accounts, we need to reporting one chart of accounting. Then we can create the group chart of accounting. Okay, understanding? This is the consider of the reporting.
Yeah.
For example, see, we have differences. This is the country specification, nothing but each country wise. For example, India, I have 10 company codes is there. Okay. For example, India, I have 10 company codes, a different chart of account is there. All the chart of accounting, we need to put the one country wise. We can see the reporting. Here, na, this is the each country operating chart of account, nothing but each company code wise we can see the report. Then group chart of account, nothing but we can multiple company codes or one or two company codes. One or two other than three or four chart of account, we need to do the consider the report. That is called the group chart of accounting. Then country specific chart of account, only one particular company code wise we can see the reporting. For
This will
in
be
the
optional, right? Country specific chart of accounts.
these two are optional. Group chart of accounting, either country specific chart of account, these two are optional.
Okay.
Then only it is mandatory operating chart. Without operating chart of account, we cannot post in single entry also. These two are up. This group chart of accounting as well as the country chart of account. These both are
Optional.
optional. Okay.
Okay.
Then we can see here na group chart of accounting. It is a mandatory for the company code. Okay. Each company code without group chart of account, we cannot posting in a single entry. It is the mandatory. Then, for example, operating concern, it is a mandatory while posting the entry, either any while creating the entry, but group chart of account based on your requirement. If you require the multiple correspondence purpose, then we can create the group chart of accounting. But that is the not a mandatory in the SAP. Then operating chart of account, it is a mandatory. Group chart of account, it is not a mandatory. This is only reporting concern. That is the concern report purpose only. We have to create the group chart of accounting. But operating chart of account, it is for the mandatory for that. Okay. Each
Yeah.
of the transaction posting financial statement is coming from the only operating chart of account level only. Understanding? Then one thing also, this operating chart of account, then we have linked to the our expenses at see this operating chart of account, it is linked GL master as well as the customer also. Sorry, account groups also. Then account groups and next step I can explain the how to this links these two steps. Okay. Here clear what I'm explaining still now?
Yes, yes.
Second one. What posting any transactions only. So in either income, either posting any transaction under the operating chart of account only. Then this operating chart of account integrated with the other modules as well as either MMSD, MMHR, whatever integration point of view, it is linked to the other modules as well as. Then it is linked to the it is linked to the our controlling area as well as. Then one single chart of account, one chart of account, we can using the multiple company codes. Okay, one chart of account is there, one chart of account we can use in the multiple country code. That company it is belongs to the US or UK or the other than countries, there is no issue. Then whatever company codes you have, then all the company codes we can use in the one chart of accounting based on the requirement. Either we can create one more chart of account, you can assign it. For example, if you want, I can do the, I have company code one here, I have 5 company codes is there. For example, okay, two, sorry, two, I have 6 company codes is there. In the 6 company codes, na, I can using the my operating chart of accounting. Operating chart of, for example, operating chart of account. I can put the operating chart of account one. Okay. Here also I can put one. Put one. But I can change here two. Here also I can change. I can put the two. I can change here three. Then my group chart of accounting. Group chart of accounting one. This group chart of accounting, I can use all the company codes. Okay. Then in this case, sorry, group chart. I can using this group chart of account all the company codes. In this case, what is happen? One operating chart of account we can using the each company code wise. For example, it is a mandatory. This operating concern operating chart of you can use all the 6 company codes zone, but you can using that this two is different, this two is different. For the all the my chart of account, it is coming to under one report. We can create the group chart of accounting. We can using here. Okay, either if you here this 3 company code it is belongs to the India, this rest of 4 belongs to the US. In this case we can create the country specific chart of accounting, we can assign here this 3 are we can report it to our each country wise, that the rest of 5 we can report in other country wise. Okay, understand this concept? Hello,
Yes, yes.
hello,
Yeah, yeah, you,
understanding, right?
yes.
This is the one. Then then this is the one. Second one is the what operating cost only we can say this is the only, it is a mandatory. Then we can consider the all sub it is integrated with all the reports. Then it is integrated to all my sub module to the CY as well as. Okay, this is the we can put this 2 points only, but it is coming to the my group chart of accounting, the group chart of account nothing but it is a optional. Okay, it is we can assign, either you cannot assign, the system is accepting. But operating chart of account, without operating chart of account, the system is cannot post a single entry. But group chart of account, without group chart of account, we can post the entries, multiple entries. Then second thing also, it is not integrated with to our submodels, either MMSD, either CO. This what is happened? This is the only reporting, considered reporting purpose only we can using this group chart of accounting. Okay. Then one thing also, operating chart of account level, we can posting the entry, any kind of transaction directive to the operating chart of accounting, but it is coming to the group chart of account, either country specific chart of account. We cannot post direct entry to the particular country specific chart of accounting. Okay. Then this data, how to collect the data? My operating chart of accounting, this group chart of account, based on my operating chart of accounting, whenever posting the data to the my operating chart of accounting, that operating chart of account collect the data to the my group chart of accounting. Understand what I'm explaining?
Yes.
See that the data, what is coming this data na? This data is cannot to coming to directly my operating chart of account. Sorry, my group chart of accounting. The data will be posted to the my operating chart of accounting. Then operating chart of account level, we can assign we can create here my group chart of accounting. Whenever posting this entry, this my operating chart of accounting, this data, this is my operating chart of accounting, this is my group chart of accounting. Whenever posting any entry in this operating chart of accounting, the data will move to the my group chart of accounting. Okay.
Yeah. Got
But
it.
we cannot post into the directly my group chart of accounting. Then this group chart of account, it is not integrated with my sub modules and CV modules. The data only this is only reporting purpose only. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the one only country specification chart of nothing, but each country wise we need to the, for example, our country 10 company codes is there. In the 10 company codes, we have to all the 10 company codes one report we can create the one country specification chart of accounting. Under the one specification chart of accounting, it is put the data. Then whatever applicable the group chart of accounting, the same applicable here only, but one thing only it will change, that our group chart of account, it is applicable all kind of chart of accounting, but country specification chart of account, it is applicable the only each under only each within the country only. Then if you US another company code is there, it is not possible to create the same one. Okay. Only under only.
Yeah. Okay.
This is the chart of accounting areas. Do you have anything? Let me know. I can explain one more time. Then if you want to, okay, I need to create the configuration.
I'm okay.
Ramakrishna, you are also.
Shyam.
Do you have any
So
concern?
actually, the first operative chart of account is there, na? We can give what it call. We can map operating chart of account to two different countries which are operating in two different countries. It is possible.
Yeah, operating concern, operating chart of account, you can assign any company code, there is no restriction in operating chart of accounting. Okay.
Currency is different, na?
Whatever may be, the currency is different, whatever may be, there is no issue. Okay. Then
the
there
companies
is
which are operating from different countries, we can map single operational chart of account.
yes, either currency, whatever may be, there is no issue. For example, the country it is there India. For example, we have to create three company codes, right? One is that belongs to the India, one is that belongs to the
different countries,
Singapore, US.
Yes.
In this case, we can create one chart of accounting. One chart of account, you can assign to the three company codes.
Okay.
Then the three company codes, we need to create the one group chart of accounting. One group chart of account, we can assign the three company codes only. Okay.
It's not mandatory.
It is not mandatory. If you the reporting purpose only, what is considered nothing but reporting. The three company codes, whatever the values is posted, those three values you want the one report, we can create the one kind of group chart of accounting.
Okay.
Whatever values you have to post the particular company code wise. For example, India company code, some values posted 10,000, and US company code we can post at 20,000, and Singapore you can post at the 3,000. But each company code 1000, 2000, 3000, we can see the reports. But I want to see these 3 company code reports. Then you can go for the my group chart of account. We can see the group chart of account. We can see the all the my 3 chart of accounts. What is the report? Okay. Then if you can whenever creation the country chart of account, we can see the balance within the country, either US or UK, within the country only. We cannot possible to the another country.
Country wise, we can see the reports.
This is the country specification chart of account.
Yeah.
Okay. Then first of all, operating chart of account, it is a mandatory. Without operating chart of account, we cannot possible to create any report, any transaction. We cannot possible create any transactions, any postings also. Then even all the transaction is mapped to the operating chart of accounting under company code level. It is linked to the all submodules as well as CO. But it is coming to the group chart of account. It is not a mandate. It is optional based on business require. If you want, we can create. If not necessary, we can don't create anything. But this is the operating and country specification chart of account. It is not collect any data, any transaction data. It is reporting purpose only we can use it. But it's not linked to the relevant to the submodules and CO modules. That's it. Understanding?
Okay.
If you want anything, let me know. I can explain one more time. There is no issue. If you take, we can extend this class, I think, half an hour. Okay? Raghavendra?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Clear? Anything? Okay, na?
Okay.
Now I can create the chart of accounting.
So first of all, if we want to create a chart of accounts, we should have a GL account.
Not necessary. First, with your GL account, there is so things is there. First, we have to create a chart of accounting. Then after creating my account groups. Okay? Then account groups. First, we have based on the account groups. First, we have to, for example, GL you have to create it. Then what is the use of the GL account? What kind of expenses GL account for the GL account? Either asset, either liability, either income. Okay? That terminology we have to link to my group. First, we have to for example, we have to create one GL. This GL account, what belongs to the what kind of transaction? Either expenses.
Before creating GL account, we should have a group account.
Yes, group account. Before group account, that group account we need to link to my chart of accounting.
Yeah, got it.
Got it, na?
Yes.
That is the link. Then I can create my chart of accounting. In this case, I have to create one chart of account only. Okay. I'm not create multiple chart of account because I have to create multiple chart account. I can create all the GL accounts under ledgers. Is it difficult? Esther Raghavendra, I forgot. See, I can open this one. See, again, I can open this one. Sorry. I can open here. What is it showing here?
The data is not opening.
Same facing you are also yesterday. This issue.
Yeah, I got this error.
Yes. Then how to do it? Go to SM12. Okay. /n SM12. This is we can do this system, this landscape only. We cannot do anything in the real-time scenario. Okay. In this UIDs, don't do that. For practice purpose only we can do it. Because of if you do that, for example, you can open any system. If you facing this kind of issue, don't delete in the real-time system. Because of someone, I can use this system. I can do some configuration. Your backend you deleted. What did I configuration? That is not saved in the database.
Okay.
Okay.
So that time we need to report.
Sorry.
So in real time, if we get this error, what we should do?
We cannot do anything. We can see, we can, for example, if we block na, we can go here na, we can check.
No,
Okay.
no, who can unlock that thing in real time?
Real time, see, we can see ID here. Okay.
Yes,
In
yes.
this ID na, we can copy this ID. We can go to SU03. You know, SU01D. Say ASO. Okay. ASO SU01D. I can put the ID na. Go to display. See, if we can see what is the ID. We can go to the parameters na. Parameters na. I have my mail ID also. Okay. Roles. In the under my mail also there. We can check that guy. We can, this is the block. I need to do some kind of configuration. Please come back this ID. Okay. From your side, don't do. If you don't know na, we can do anything. Okay. But our side, for practice purpose, we can do it. Okay. See, I have opened 3 sites na, then I can log it. Okay. Then what do we do? We can.
This is fine. What I'm asking is, if in case I got this error in real time, that time I should report to any technical team, or I just leave
No,
like
we
that?
don't do anything technical team. Who is the open this one? That is the one. We can see this ID. You know the particular who is the ID. That guy we need to check with the particular guy only.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to connect to that user and ask to exit.
Exit. Yes, exit. Either we can delete it. That guy also agreed to, we can delete this one. We can delete it. But without inform that guy, we cannot do it. For example, I can do some configuration, whatever postings also. Configuration, there is no issue. We can understand that while posting the data also, if this kind of phishing issue, it is difficult. Okay.
Okay.
Then I can CM to delete. Enter. Only the testing purpose only. We can do it like that.
Okay.
Okay. Then if you go to the transaction code OB13. Okay. If you OB13 na.
One more request. You are attaching all the screenshots now. That time can you mention the T codes also?
Okay.
So that it will be easy for us to do.
Don't easy methods. We can do the hard work.
No, but you are doing with the T codes only, no?
I can do the T codes. I can put to the path as well as if you want. Okay.
Yeah, either way, both the ways, if you put it will be okay.
Go to my entry. I can give my chart of accounting BHLCA. Okay. BHCA. I can mention here BHCL chart of accounting. Okay. Okay. Then we can put the language EN. The length I can put the 6 length. Okay. Based on your requirement, you can put more than 10 letters. You can put a 6 or 5. Okay. I can put the 6 letters only. Okay.
So maximum number
10.
Okay.
Then if I can 12, I can say is not allowed. Okay. I can put the 10. It is accepted. But I can put the only 6 only. Okay. It is allowed. If you put the 5 also, it is allowed. Okay. Then here, if you required my group chart of account, we can create a group chart of account. We can assign it. Okay. Then if you this one, if you not use we can block it also. Enter. Take a screenshot. I have created one chart of account only. Then once you complete this, why? Because I can take one chart of account why? Because if you create multiple chart of account, I need to create all the account symbols. That is, it takes some time. Okay, the screenshot. Now we need to put the each of step by step.
It's fine. It's fine.
Then I can take this one. Then save it. Saved. This is already saved. Okay. Then we can assign to the chart of accounting. What are the create the chart of accounting to the company code? Go to the 62. Okay. We can, what are the company code you have created? BHL. This we can assign to here. Okay.
HCA.
Where is that?
I think it will be in top only because alphabetic order. No?
BHA.
Yeah.
We can assign this all the company codes.
Okay.
Okay. See, I have created one chart of accounting. I can assign my all company codes. Okay. Then we need to understanding before group chart of account while creating the my company code, we can using the group chart of accounting, the chart of accounting. Alternate chart of account, you can assign here. This is my alternate chart of account. If you alternate chart of account also there, we can put here. Okay.
Okay.
If I don't using this alternate chart of account group chart, why? Because now if use now, I can created one more each of the groups. That is very it takes so much time. Then we have to configure was very difficult. Okay. If you want, I can
In
do
real
it.
time, we will do that and all.
Some cases I can see them multiple times. We can use in the group chart of account as well as. Okay. If you want, I can do it. No issue. Can it take? It's time taken only.
Okay.
Then I can save it.
Now, what is this alternative chart of account? It is a group chart of account or a country specific?
Yes, a group chart of account, I think, but I can explain now only. I can one more time. I need to go back here. I can put the screenshot. I can explain one more time. Okay. T code. OB 62. What is this?
Assign chart of account to company code.
Okay. I can explain. Can I save it or not? First, I can save this data. Okay. Now go back here. Okay. Go up. Okay. See, we have to explain this three kind of chart of accounting: operating chart of accounting, group chart of accounting, country chart of accounting. Operating chart of account, there is no restriction. All the it is a mandatory. Without operating chart of account, it cannot be possible to create any kind of GL master, any kind of posting, any kind of related things entries. Okay, this operating chart of whenever creation alternate chart of account, it is a mandatory. It is linked to all transaction, all reporting only under the my operating chart of account only. Okay. Then second time is the my group chart of accounting. Group chart of account, nothing but a consideration of the report. Is a consideration of report of the my other modules. Sorry, not other modules. We have to 3 or 4 chart of account is there. The 3 chart of account we need to consider the one report. That is called by the my group chart of accounting. Sir, how to create this group chart of accounting? Na? Here I need to go to my system, go to OB3, OBA3, 13, sorry. In the 13, we can enter the COGABHCA. Double click here. In this level, I have created my operating chart of accounting. In this end, I need to create my one more group chart of account. I can assign here. Okay. If you assign here, this is I can assign my group. For example, I can take any kind of job. I can assign this one. Okay. This is my group chart of account. I can save it. Okay. This is my group chart of account. Okay. But in this case, what happened? Whatever creates my operating chart of account, same thing I need to create in a jail account, the account groups under this chart of account as well as. Okay, this is the one. This group chart of account, we need to reporting the whatever. For example, multiple chart of account is there. Under this considered report, my chart of account, my group chart, we can 10 chart of accounts is there. All the chart of account, we want to one report, we can do the my group chart of accounting. Baba, admainda?
Okay.
Then and one more thing, Shyam, in a one group chart account, how many chart of accounts we can create?
Multiple. You can see.
There is no number range.
No, there is no thing. You have 1,000 is there. This week, all the 1,000 we can use the same chart of accounting, this chart of group.
Okay, understood.
Whatever create the chart of group, same configuration only. We can, as for example, this is chart of account. Okay.
Yes.
But in this case only, I can remove this. Okay. I can put here. In this case, this is my chart of account. This is my group chart of account. The naming of same only. Whenever assign here, it is called my group chart of accounting. Okay.
Yeah.
Then this is the one. Then it will go to the country specification. We can assign here. OB 62. Oh my God.
What I think here.
Here. Alternative, nothing but my country chart of accounting. I can assign here also. Same number, same configuration, same number. Allowed. Whatever assigned previously, that one you can take it here. This one also. There is no issue. Save. This both are reporting. One is the country level, one is the group level. Okay.
Okay.
Understanding?
Yes.
There is no confusion.
No. Good.
Okay. Then save the data. Now I need to go to the another next step. This is the important. What is the account group? Okay. Account group question of the classification of the GL. Okay. For example, in the go to the finance statement, whenever creation of any finance statement, how to segregate the value. First of all, profit and loss account, then asset and liabilities. This is the FCB terminal, right? The account background. First, we have to create the trading account, the profit and loss account. In the profit and loss account, we come in the profit either loss, right? Then if we go to the balance, we can see the balance sheet account, either liabilities, either asset. We have to segregate the four kind of accounts, right? Profits,
yes,
either profit and loss account, either gain or loss account, and balance is nothing but expenses or assets. Okay, but in the profits and loss account and balance sheet account and liability, we get different terms. The current assets is there, liability something is current liability fixed. That is the symptom terminology is there. But you see the four is the main thing, right? This is the one account symbol, nothing but it is a represent of the GL groups. GL naming. This is the, for example, one expense is there. Then one expenses how to post the particular expenses. one expenses is there. One expenses, how to post the one expenses. Okay, we can segregate the particular expenses wise. For example, rent is there. Rent, it is the my GL account. Okay, the rent GL account. How to segregate the particular rent GL account? This is belongs to the rent. The SAP, we can create the GL account under what? Either expenses, either profit, either liability, either asset. That we need to simulate. We need to create the account groups. This account groups, it is classification of the your GLs. Okay, either under where we come the GL accounting. Okay, then this account groups now, if you go to the system level /OD4, this is my chart of accounting. Okay, in this chart of account I can segregate the my GL group. In the group level, I can put the name, then I can put the from series to series. For example, liabilities, this is my expenses. This expenses, this is my chart of accounting. This is my account group EXEP. This is the expenses from 2000 to the 2015. This all GL account, it is belongs to the expenses. Then this is, I have to create, we have one more same chart of accounting, OTCP, other expenses, to 2501 to 2000, 2600. Okay, this is belongs to the other expenses. And sales and distribution, it belongs to 1001 to 1099. We can segregate this naming. This is the naming. This is the only similarization of the we can create of the between the number, either 1 to 9, 9 to 10, but which we need to create the different number. This is called the account groups. This account groups, it is control the my master data. In the master data, I can double click here now. I can remove this all the thing. This account, I can select this account groups, double click here. See, this fields, currency, tax field, reconciliation, exchange rate difference, account management system, balance in local currency, alternate number. These are the data we need to control. Here, surplus, required, optional, display. Surplus nothing but the whatever the field is there in the while opening the master data, we cannot see any kind of this field. The please is the gray out. The required field nothing but for example, currency. Currency I can put the required. While creating the master data, GL master data, we can enter the currency, either INR, either USD, something. Without currency, the system is not allowed. They're optional. Optional nothing but you can enter, you cannot enter. It is your purpose only. The display only, that we cannot be possible to change. Only displays purpose only we can use. This is the control the master data. This account group, it is control the master data. Okay, then this chart of this account groups now, it is linked to my chart of accounting in the combination only. My chart of accounting, first I need to create the chart of accounting. Under chart of accounting, I need to create my account groups. But under chart of account na, in the chart of account, while creating GL account, the length, I can mention the 6 digits number is there na. If you go, I will open one more tab. అర్థమవుతుందండి?
Yes, yes.
ఎందుకంటే కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్తున్నాను. OB13
Chart of account. BHCA.
BHCA. Here my chart of accounting, the length is 6. I can remove this one. Okay.
Okay.
Here the 6 length is there. This chart of accounting, here I can mention here. Under the chart of accounting, I can link it to the my groups. Okay. In this two combination, it is control the my GL length, it is control the fields. Okay. If you open one GL master, you understand. Okay. I will open one more tab. Okay, this company code I can take. If you see here, see asset accounting, liabilities, general ledger, material, profit and loss, and recon accounts. Okay, here mentioned like this.
Okay.
This is not a standard based on your conversion, based on your business requirement. We can create this account group. There is no restrictions. Based on your requirement, you can create multiples. Okay.
Okay.
Then I can open this one of the GL account. This length I need to control here. My chart of account level. This length. Okay.
Okay.
Then this fields, this one, this fields, this balance sheet here. Go to the currencies, balance sheet local amount. This fields I need to control here. If you go to field status, control data, this one currency. See currency, euro. If required or not, local currency, balance in local currency. This tick mark is required or not. I can put optional na. If you enter, if not enter, there is no issue. But I can put here required na. This one, for example, this one I can put here required na. Without this tick mark na, the system is not allowed posting any single entry as well as.
Yeah. Understood.
Okay, this is the thing.
So usually it will be an optional entry only, right?
But based on your requirement.
Okay.
Okay. See, this account groups is number range also control this master data. See, this number range, this combination, this group is control the number range as well as the your GL fields data as well. While creating master data, which field is required, which field is mandatory. Okay. This is the one
Okay.
we can create the group chart of it is the account groups. Okay.
Yeah.
Understanding or not? If you understanding, I can create it.
I'm okay.
మీరు
స్క్రీన్ ఓపెన్ చేయి ఇప్పుడు అది SAP సరే ఇప్పుడు దీంట్లో ఈ నెంబర్ రేంజింగ్ ఉంది కదా, ఫ్రమ్ అకౌంట్ టు అకౌంట్ 2000 to 2500 అనే ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కి
నో ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ తోట ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ కి ఈ ఎక్స్పెన్స్ జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ అని మొత్తము 2 series నుంచి 25 ఇచ్చాను. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైతే నేను జిఎల్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తానో ఈ కాంబినేషన్ నేను జిఎల్ క్రియేట్ చేయగాను ఈ ఎక్స్పెన్స్ జిఎల్
అది 2000 to 3000 కూడా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు.
మన ఏదైనా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. అంటే ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ నేను ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ నేను 3000 ఇచ్చాను. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ నేను 3000 ఇచ్చాను. ఒక 33 ఇక్కడ 33 ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కూడా నేను ఏంటి 33.5 అంటే ఏంటి ఈ కాంబినేషన్ నేను ఇక్కడ జిఎల్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు తప్ప మీరు ఇంకెక్కడ చేయలేం కావదు. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడు ఇక్కడ మీకు 101 ఉంది కదా, 101 నుంచి ఈ 100
అంటే 99
వరకు అంటే ఏదైతే ఈ యొక్క డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందో ఈ యొక్క డిఫరెన్స్ లో నేను సేల్స్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ సంబంధించి క్రియేట్ చేయగలను. దానికి సంబంధించి కాకుండా ఇంకా వేరేది నేను చేయలేను. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2000కి వచ్చినప్పటికి ఇక్కడ నాకు రాదు.
ఇప్పుడు జిఎల్ అకౌంట్ అనేది ఎక్కడ ఏ కంపెనీలో చూసినా అది ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఒకటే నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రెంట్ పెయిడ్ లేకపోతే సాలరీస్ పెయిడ్ ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు
అవును
జిఎల్ కూడా అనేది ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఒకటే ఉంటుంది కదా ఏ కంపెనీకైనా.
అవును ఒకటే ఉంటది. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఎక్కడ నుంచి వస్తుంది కదా అది. ఫస్ట్ మన ఇప్పుడు ఇనిషియల్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఇది మనది. ఇప్పుడు జిఎల్ మాస్టర్ డేట్ వన్స్ ని క్రియేట్ అయిపోయింది, అదే సేమ్ నేమ్ ఉంటది. అది ఇప్పుడు మన ఇనిషియల్ మనం స్టార్టింగ్ ఉన్నాం మనం ఇంకా అక్కడ ముందు మనం
స్టార్టింగ్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ ఈ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ లో ఈ నెంబర్ రేంజింగ్ లో బిట్వీన్ ఈ నెంబర్ రేంజింగ్ లోనే మనం ఆ ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ నే మనం యూజ్ చేయాలి ఈ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ కి. కానీ ఈ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఉన్న నెంబర్స్ అది ఏ కంపెనీకైనా ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంటుందా మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం?
అయితే ఏ కంపెనీ కంటే ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్ ఏ కంపెనీకి అసైన్ చేస్తామో అన్ని కంపెనీ కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటది. ఈ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ ఎన్ని కంపెనీ కోడ్లకు అసైన్ చేస్తావో అన్ని కంపెనీ కూడా సేమ్. ఒకవేళ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ డిఫరెన్స్ అయ్యింది అనుకో అప్పుడు ఇది అప్లికబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఒకవేళ సేమ్ చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ అనుకో దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఇష్యూ. ఓకేనా? దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాజింగ్. ఇప్పుడు గో ఫర్ దియర్. అర్థమైంది కదా ఇది?
యా.
అర్థమైతే నేను ఇప్పుడు క్రియేషన్లోకి వెళ్తా. ఫస్ట్ న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్ ఎంత ఇది?
అవి నెంబర్ రేంజ్ చేంజ్ చేయండి.
పూర్తి క్లోజ్ చేశాను. OBD4. ఓకే, గో టు న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్. ఓకే, న్యూ ఎంట్రీస్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత
BHCA.
ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే నా చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ ఏంటి? BHCA. BHCA ఇది నా చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంటింగ్. Here I need to create one. First I need to create share capital. Okay, share capital I can put the SHEP. Okay, SHEP.
Under one chart of accounts, we can create multiple groups, right?
Multiple groups. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమిస్తానంటే 100 సిరీస్ సిరీస్ చేసుకుంటా. 6 రావాలి నాకు, ఎందుకంటే 6 ఇచ్చాను కదా. 0010. ఈ షేర్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి చేసుకుంటా? 1013456. బాబా చూడండి బాబా, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాను కదా. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే ఈ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఇది ఇక్కడ వరకే నాకు పర్మిషన్ అవుతుంది, మిగతా నాకు పర్మిషన్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
అర్థమైందా?
అంటే నియర్లీ ఈ గ్యాప్ అనేది 10,000 నెంబర్స్ వరకు ఉంది ఇది.
నాకు ఏ నెంబర్ ఉందో అక్కడ దాకా అవుతుంది, తర్వాత అవ్వదు. తర్వాత నేను ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తానంటే రిజర్వ్స్ అండ్ సప్లైస్. ఓకే
సార్, నాకు వన్ మోర్ డౌట్. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక 10,000 వరకు నెంబర్ రేంజ్ ఇచ్చాం కదా, బట్ ఇంకా నాకు ఎక్సెస్ గా ఎంట్రీస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు అక్కడ చేంజ్ చేస్తే కింద కూడా ఆటోమేటిక్ చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందా?
వన్స్ ఈ కాంబినేషన్ లో నీకు డేటా పోస్ట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకో, నువ్వు ఒకళ్ళకి డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ అయిన దాకా నువ్వు చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, ఒకళ్ళకి డాక్యుమెంట్ కానీ నీకు పోస్ట్ అయిపోయింది అనుకో, వి కెనాట్ చేంజ్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, ఒకళ్ళకి డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ అయిపోయింది, డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ అవ్వకపోతే నువ్వు ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు. ఒకళ్ళకి డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత నువ్వేది చేంజ్ చేయడానికి అవ్వదు.
ఓకే.
మనం ఏదైతే కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ చేస్తాం ఇప్పుడు స్టిల్ దాకా ఏదైనా సరే, నువ్వు డాక్యుమెంట్ బిఫోర్ డాక్యుమెంట్ పోస్టెడ్ వి క్యాన్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. వన్స్ ద పోస్ట్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కానీ పోస్ట్ అయిపోయిందా, నువ్వు మరి దానికి ఇంక నువ్వు ఏం ఇంకేం చేసావంటే నీ కంపెనీ కూడా బిస్కెట్ అయిపోద్ది.
ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ డాక్యుమెంట్ నెంబర్ జనరేట్ అయిపోతుంది పోస్ట్ అయితే.
అయిపోద్ది కదా మరి,
ఈ బిట్వీన్ ఈ నెంబర్స్ లో జనరేట్ అయిపోద్ది నెంబర్,
అయిపోద్ది. సప్లయర్స్ నేను ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఇస్తాను అంటే 11 ఇస్తాను. 11 000 4 zeros. సేమ్ 1110. ఓకే, ఇలాగా కాకపోతే ఇది కూడా నేను ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. మళ్ళీ ఇది కూడా బిహెచ్ఎల్ కావాలని మీరు ఓన్గా మీరు చేసుకోవచ్చు, అసెట్ కానీ మనకి ఇది అర్థం కావాలని చెప్పి ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటాను అంతే. ఇది ఏం చేస్తానంటే దీనికి ఇక్కడ ఎక్యుములేటర్ పెడతా. ఎక్యుములేషన్ అంటే డిప్రిసియేషన్ పెడతా. ఓకే, దీనికి ఏం సిరీస్ పెడతానంటే 12. ఓకే, సేమ్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తా. ఇక్కడ ఏం పెడతా, సెక్యూరిటీ లోన్ పెడతా. సెక్యూర్డ్ లోన్స్ ఏ సిరీస్ పెడతానంటే
సో ఈ గ్రూప్స్ లో ఎండ్ యూజర్ వచ్చేసి డేటా ఎంట్రీ చేస్తారా, మనం అసైన్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి?
ఇదే మనం ఫస్ట్ మనం మాస్టర్ డేటా, ఇదే వాళ్ళ యాక్చువల్ ఇది డేటా కలెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎండ్ యూజర్స్ ఉంది.
ఓకే,
ఈ కాంబినేషన్ చేయాలని వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మనం తీసుకుంటాం డేటా.
ఈ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్ అనేది కూడా వాళ్ళ నుంచి రిక్వెస్ట్ తీసుకొని క్రియేట్ చేస్తారా, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్స్ అనేది?
వాళ్ళ దగ్గరే. మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏది చేస్తాం అంతా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర, వాళ్ళు ఏది చెప్తే అది చేస్తాం మనం. కానీ ఇది మనకు ఫీజిబిలిటీ ఉందని చెప్పాలంతే. నెక్స్ట్ అన్సెక్యూర్డ్ లోన్ పెడదాం.
యూఎస్ఎల్ఎం.
యుఎస్ ఏం పెడదాం కదా,
యూఎస్ఎల్ఎం.
ఫోర్ సిరీస్. ఓకే, ఈరోజు టైప్ చేసి పెట్టవలసింది బాగుంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ టైం తీసుకుందాం, ట్యాక్స్ పే తీసుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ సెండ్ క్రియేటర్ తీసుకుందాం. ఏ సిరీస్ తీసుకుందాం కదా, ట్యాక్స్ పేయబుల్ 6 సిరీస్. ఆల్రెడీ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్స్ దగ్గర నేను రాసుకోండి, ఎందుకంటే ఇది మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ అయ్యాలంటే మన జిఎల్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతుందని చెప్పి చూస్ చేస్తాను.
సో ఇప్పుడు మేము ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇంకా ఈ సిరీస్ యూజ్ చేసేది అనుకుంటది కదా ఇంకా మాకు,
యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా సిరీస్.
అంటే కొత్తగా మేము క్రియేట్ చేస్తే చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ అకౌంట్స్ గ్రూప్స్.
మీరు అంటే కొత్తగా చార్ట్ ఆఫ్ మీరు ఇదే యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు,
ఓకే.
కానీ సేమ్ సిరీస్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. టైం టేకింగ్ తీసుకుంటాను.
సో ఇంత ఈ గ్రూప్ చార్ట్స్ అన్ని మనము, సారీ, ఈ అకౌంట్ గ్రూప్స్ అన్ని మనం జిఎల్ కి అసైన్ చేస్తాం మళ్ళా.
అండర్ దీని అండర్ లో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటాం.
ఓకే.
ఇంకేమున్నాయి ఇంకా కరెంట్ లయబిలిటీస్. సిక్స్ సిరీస్. నాకు ఎక్కడ ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది, వేరే దానికి ఎంత టైం తీసుకోదు. ఐ కెన్ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిక్స్డ్ అసెట్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇవన్నీ కూడా లైబ్రరీ కిందకి వస్తుంది మీకు. ఇదే నేను ఫైనల్ అసెట్ పెట్టి నోట్స్ పెట్టుకుంటాను, నీట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోండి. పదే పదే చేయలేము. ఏదైనా నెట్వర్క్ అయింది అంటే
ఒక 2-3 minutes అది హోల్ లో పెడితే కనెక్షన్ లాస్ అవుతుంది.
అవును, ఓన్లో పెడితే లాస్ అవుతుంది. నైన్ తర్వాత నిన్న కూడా సేమ్ ఇదే ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది కదా మనకి.
కొంచెం స్లో అయిపోయింది సిస్టమ్.
ఒకసారి అడుగుతా అందుకు ఫోన్ చేసి. నేను తప్పని చేశాను. మార్నింగ్ నేను టైప్ చేసి పెట్టి ఇవ్వాల్సింది. ఉన్నాయి కదా చెప్పి కొత్త తీసుకోవద్దని చెప్పి అనుకోండి, మంచి సెండర్ అవుతుంది. అప్లోడ్ చేస్తే ఉంటుంది.
శ్యామ్ ఎక్సెల్ లో ఉంటే కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేసేసి ఒకసారి.
నేను ఎక్సెల్ లేదు బాబు, అందు గురించి చూస్తాను. నేను రేపు నుంచి చేస్తాను, ముందు చేసుకుని వచ్చేస్తాను. నేను ఫస్ట్ డేటా సేవ్ చేస్తాను, మళ్ళీ పోయింది దెబ్బ పడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ దాకా ఫిక్స్డ్ ఏదో చేశాం కదా. తర్వాత ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆపేద్దామా ఈరోజు ఇది చేసి.